So just allow yourself to feel fully relaxed in a completely comfortable position, nice and supported. Doing anything that you need to do to be as comfortable as possible. Scan your whole body, making sure you're as comfortable as can be. Feet relaxed, legs, hips, back, arms, shoulders, jaw, forehead. Checking in, making any further adjustments if it will help you be at your most comfortable. Set aside anything that's happened before this moment. Set aside anything that's happening after this practice. Bring all of your awareness into this practice for the next few minutes. Set aside everything for these moments to calm and connect. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any thoughts you'd like to let go of in this moment. Just let go of any thoughts. Let go of any need to do. Just being. This is your time for yourself. No agenda, just peace. Make any final adjustments if you haven't already. Begin to experience the stillness even more. The chance to do nothing. Resting just as you like. If it feels restful, allow these words to be received energetically rather than mentally. Even the mind can rest now. In its place, there is effortless awareness. Feel all experience becoming more and more effortless. Serene and effortless. This is your time for yourself. Following your breath like a gentle wave. Like a wave washing into the shore, then washing away from the shore. Each breath, watching the wave rise and watching it fall. No need to make any changes to your breath. beginning to count the waves, letting go a little bit more, simply following the natural pace of breath, feeling your body peacefully resting. Feel the support beneath you. And you can slowly start to wiggle your fingers and toes. Start to feel the lightness of the sensation. When you're ready, just gently coming back into the room, taking a few deep breaths, taking with you any calming sensation from your practice today. Namaste.